Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to always Countiue playing audio in the background on Twitch application. So how to always Countiue playing audio in the background on Twitch application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Twitch app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Twitch app. Next, tap the setting icon at the top left. And appears like this. Tap Preferences menu. Tap How to Countiue playing audio in the background on Twitch app. Tap Always. So that's it, tutorial how to always Countiue playing audio in the background on Twitch application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.